Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yesterday it was our introductory class, and so today I'm going to start this session, this series of English grammar. Our lectures will be on English grammar and also on Islamic studies. So first of all, I wanna start from the English grammar. So today it was our introductory class, and now, as all of you know, that one person or one student who start English, he start from the sentence, because just like we say that sentence is the root of English grammar or English language. If we do not have knowledge about sentence, we do not write better, we do not talk better. So first of all, we have to learn about the sentence, that how to write a sentence, what is the structure of sentence. Now, first of all, I'm going to tell you about the basics of sentence, that what is the definition of sentence, what are the kinds of sentence, and when I describe these simple or basic things of sentence, we would discuss deeply about the interrogative sentence, because interrogative sentence has many types. There's take questions, there's like take questions, just like single-ended questions, just like double-ended questions, and informative sentences, just like these are two main types of the interrogative sentence. Confirmative sentence, these all types, and imperative sentence. The imperative sentence is a very good sentence, but we do not know about the structure of imperative sentence and how to write imperative sentence. So let's come to the point. We are going to start from this definition of sentence. So what is sentence? Sentence, a group of words which makes complete sense, is called sentence. A group of words which make complete sense is called sentence. Just like, for example, I have written here a sentence. I am preparing for the competitive examination. I am preparing for the competitive exams. The word I is one, and the second word is am, and the third word is preparing, and the fourth word is for, and the third and fifth word is the, and sixth is competitive, and seventh is exam. These 7 words, this is the group of 7 words, and when they combine to each other, they give us a complete sense. Just like I am preparing for the competitive exams, इसे हम उर्दू में ये कह सकते हैं कि मैं जो है मुकाबले के इम्तिहानात के लिए तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. तो the first one, these are the 7 words, and sentence, these 7 words combine together to make one sentence and having a complete sense. The sentence has a complete sense. And now the second example, she is a civil servant. What is she? The word, first word, and the second word is, and the third we say grammar, it is a determiner or article, and the fourth word is civil, and the fifth is servant. So civil servant. Also we can say it is we say that these all words gives us a complete sense. These all words gives us a complete sense that she is a civil servant. So now we are going to talk about the kinds of sentence. Sentence has simple sentence or one class sentence have 4 types. Has 4 types and are kinds. The first one is a declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? We say the declarative sentence or assertive sentence. It is also known as a assertive sentence. So a sentence used for making statements. A sentence used for making statements, positive or negative. This is called declarative sentence. So for example, your hair looks nice. it states about your hairs, about you, that your hairs looks nice. So it is a positive statement. How it gives the negative statement? So the second sentence we will know that how it. He is not a loyal friend. He is not a loyal friend. He states about his friend. I said about my friend. I am talking about my friend that he is not a loyal friend. So it is a negative statement. So this sentence, declarative or assertive sentence, gives the statement positive or negative. The second one is a interrogative sentence or interrogative sentence. A sentence used for asks a question, or typically used for asking questions. It is called interrogative sentence. So, interrogative sentence examples here. What have you done? What have you done? It is the example of interrogative sentence. It questions, it asks questions, just like I ask question from my student, from my friend, that what you have done. I'm asking him a question. This is known as a interrogative sentence. The second example is how are you? It is also an example of the interrogative sentence. So how are you? These two types are the two examples of interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence has many types, as I have told you before, that there's two types of interrogative sentence: the confirmative sentence and the informative sentence. And there's also other types of interrogative sentence: the single-ended sentence, double-ended sentence, take questions. These are types. In interrogative sentence, when we study the interrogative sentence individually, we study and deeply about the interrogative sentence, about the sentence structure of interrogative sentence, that how to write a question, how to write a negative question, how to write affirmative questions. It is amazing that you haven't listened before about the affirmative question. There is an affirmative question in the type of interrogative sentence. So let's come to the other one. The third one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses commands and entreaty. Or other definition, typically a sentence that typically used for giving instructions, suggestions, etc. This type of sentence is known as a imperative sentence, or it is called a imperative sentence. It is used for giving suggestions, instructions, commands, and this type of things we study in the imperative sentence. And we must know about the synonyms of the imperative sentence. The synonym of the imperative sentence is a imperative also means compulsory. C-O-M-P. Compulsory or mandatory. Mandatory or necessary. These are the synonyms of imperative sentence. We have to know about it. For example, how they give suggestion, imperative sentence, how we could suggest, how we could invite someone with the imperative sentence, how we could give instruction someone with an imperative sentence, and when we are just like suggesting someone about his health, about her health, about her education, we suggest him to how we have to suggest. So in this sentence we will deeply discuss. And now, for example, try joining good academy for the guidance of competitive exams. Just like people say, I am preparing myself, I am preparing at home for the competitive exams, but I personally believe that we cannot prepare for the competitive exam at home without any guidance. So first of all, we have to go go for a good mentor, we have to join any academy for the guidance, for the proper guidance of competitive or any kind of examination. So we suggest our students, we suggest our friends that if you really wanna appear in the competitive exams, you have to know about, you have to join the academy from where you could get proper guidance in how to read, and what to write, this kind of thing. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses strong feeling. A sentence that expresses strong feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. So it is easy one. All people know about the exclamatory sentence, but there's also a rules that how to write an exclamatory sentence. Now today I will give you just like I will write in front of you some sentences, and these will be wrong. So when we study about the sentence structure, we will know that how to write a sentence. So now examples of the exclamatory sentence are: what a good idea. We see what a good idea, what a good idea, what a shame, what a beautiful girl, what a beautiful girl. And these kind of sentences we use in the exclamatory sentence. There's also many uses of the exclamatory sentence when, as I have already told you, that when we, it is just like introduction to sentence, how many kinds of sentence, but when we will discuss one kind of sentence individually with a lot of knowledge, with the how to write just like a declarative sentence, and thank you very much. Now I'm going to write some sentences in front of you, and this will be wrong. So how they will be correct, and you will know, and you will come to know that how we could correct them, and this will be due to the sentence structure.